Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another cooking video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't as yet. Today I'll be showing you how to do boiled cornmeal dumpling. So here we have the ingredients. It is just 3 ingredients. We have white counter flour, we have cornmeal, and we have salt, and we also have water to combine the ingredients. So first we'll be adding the cornmeal. And then we'll be adding the salt. I'll be using ½ tablespoon of salt. After adding all of the dry ingredients in the bowl, I am using a spoon to combine all of the dry ingredients. So I am combining all of the dry ingredients. All of the dry ingredients are combined now. So now I'll be adding the water little by little. So the trick is, do not add all of the water at once, because you might add too much and then the flour will be too soggy. That will result in you having to add more flour than needed, which can cause a tough dough. So do not add all of the water at once, or whatever liquid you will be using. I use a spoon because it's less messy in my opinion. So after getting everything together at the consistency that I want, I'll be using my hands to knead the flour together. So this is how the dough is supposed to look. See, it's not hard and it's not too soft. So this is how it's supposed to look. Do not over knead, because all of the air will come out of the flour and the gluten will be overstretched, causing a tough dough or a tight dough. So remember, do not over knead and do not add all of the liquid at once. So you might be wondering, why am I doing a boiled dumpling tutorial? A lot of persons do not know how to do boiled dumplings. They either come out too soggy or too tough, or they just don't come out with the perfect dumpling that they want. So this is why I am doing a dumpling tutorial. This is the dough. So the pot is on the fire. It's boiling now. So I'm going to shape the dumplings and add them in the pot. So some persons will make their dumplings bigger than this, others will make it smaller. It's all up to your liking, but this is the size that I like my dumplings at. So this will give me approximately 10 to 15 dumplings. These are the dumplings in the pot. As I said before, it would give me approximately 10 to 15 dumplings. I have 13 dumplings in here. I'm going to cover the pot now and leave them to cook. I gave them a little stir so that they won't stick to the bottom also. So stay tuned. Dinner is served. So here we have the dumplings and banana, and it is served with callaloo. So I left the dumplings to boil for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.